Hi, everyone! It's me, Deepa!
And I'm Kim. We have been practicing reading the book, Who is Sleeping?
And now we want to try to do it as a reader's theater. That means that we are going to act out the book as a play. Let's go! What is this page?
Here are all the parts that you can play in the reader's theater. First, we have to decide who will read each part. Somebody has to be the narrator, and other people have to be the animal characters.
Oh, I am good at different voices, so I'll be all the animal characters and change my voice for each animal.
Ooh, but can I be the butterfly?
Yeah. You be the narrator and the butterfly.
Yes, that's great! Let's start the reader's theater. Ahem! A dog is sleeping.
Meow. I want to sleep too, says the cat.
Psst, Deepa, you don't need to say, says the cat, because you are the cat.
Oh, I get it now. Let's try again.
A dog is sleeping.
Meow. I want to sleep too.
Perfect. I like the way you added meow for the cat.
Oh, thank you very much.
The cat is sleeping.
I want to sleep too. Squeak, squeak.
You did a great squeaky voice. You sounded just like a mouse.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
The mouse is sleeping. I want to sleep too.
I never thought about how a butterfly would talk.
Turn the page! Turn the page!
Boom, boom, boom.
What's that?
That's the sound the elephant makes when it's walking.
Oh, good idea. The butterfly is sleeping.
Boom, boom, boom. I want to sleep too.
Deepa, I think you should do a deeper voice for the elephant because I think an animal as huge as an elephant would have a big, deep voice.
Oh, yeah. I can do that. Okay, let's do this page one more time.
The butterfly is sleeping.
Boom, boom, boom.
I want to sleep too.
Oh no, the elephant is too big.
That was a really fun way to read the book.
Yeah, doing all the voices makes reading the book more fun.
Now it's your turn to try a reader's theater. You can get the books and lesson guides to go along with this video by clicking here or on the links below. Bye-bye for now.